Hey guys, welcome to LALoveCreative, and today we're talking about the Aputure 60X, why it's one of my favorite lights, and why I think you should consider getting one. I need a light that I can move around with, something that I can shoot a wedding with if I'm running and gunning, and something I can shoot a fashion or commercial video with without having to feel like I'm hauling too much equipment. One thing I love about the Aputure 60X is its bicolor. I like being able to match different light sources. Now, if you're shooting a scene and you have daylight coming through the windows and a tungsten light bulb in one of the lamps, having a bicolor light will allow you to find some type of balance or match either source, and just having a bicolor light is going to really save you in the end as a videographer. One thing I love about the 60X is it comes with an awesome carrying case. It comes with multiple different types of ways to power the light. You can use a V mount, you can use a Sony, it comes with a Sony adapter, it comes with wall power, obviously. Just so many different types of accessories that it comes with. It also has a barn doors. You can use a Bowens mount on this light, as it has a Bowens mount adapter. One thing I love about this light is the build quality. This light is built like a tank. It's built with metal. It has great build quality, has great functionality. It has a little LED screen on the back of the light. It has a flood and a spot dial, so you can flood or spot the light, which is crucial and which is clutch on such a small light like this. It's just built really well. It even has a spot where you can put a V mount and lock it on there, and it'll keep the battery on top of the light, making it even more compact. I love how thought out this kit is, and I'm really appreciating all the different options that Aputure made with this light. Now, I haven't really used it on a couple weddings, but I have been using it a lot on a lot of my fashion shoots, which is kind of a use case I didn't really think I would be using. Now, normally I like to shoot natural light. That's pretty much what I like to shoot. Or if I'm shooting something like, beauty lighting or something like that, then I will switch up and I will end up using strobes. However, I've been using this light for different situations and different shoots. I used it on a fashion shoot in a location where I just wanted to put like a lot of light. I wanted the model to stand in front of a window, and I knew if she stood in front of the window, she was going to be backlit and she was going to be underexposed on the face. So I just used this Aputure 60X, tried to match it as good as I could to the surrounding ambient light, shined it on her face a little bit. And the look is not natural, but I think it really, really looked great. And especially for fashion, you will see this spotlight, frontal beauty light in a lot of magazines. Even when they're trying to do the natural look, you will see this look a lot of the times, because a lot of celebrities and a lot of models like that beauty frontal light. And I've also been just using it without a softbox, without any type of modifier other than the barn doors, and I'm digging the light. Another shoot that I used this light was for a classy lingerie shoot that I shot with a model. I used it again as kind of like a spotlight, a hard light that's shining right on her face. I love the look that came from this. So this light is very versatile, and I'm really enjoying using this light in different situations. Now, one of the things I like about this light, and is also kind of annoying, is the Sidus app that helps you link all of the LED lights, all the Aputure LED lights, and you can control them. I like this app. I think it works really well. I like being able to control the output, changing the color temperature. You can do certain effects. My only thing I don't like about the Sidus app is it's pretty slow to reconnect to a light. If you try to shoot something and you're trying to quickly change the light output or change the color temperature, you gotta get on the app, it has to reconnect to the light, and then by the time you get that, then you're like, okay, 30 seconds probably have went by, and you can't just do it on the fly. Kind of makes me miss the little remotes that you got on like the Aputure 120D. It's like technology's better with the app, on the Sidus app, but it's slower compared to just having a little remote that's just like boom, boom. You know what I mean? Now, should you get the Aputure 60X? I love this light. It's about $400, and I think for what you're getting with the case, the adapters, the different battery solutions that you can use on this, and just the overall quality, I think it's a no-brainer. However, if you want to save a little money, you can actually end up getting the Aputure Amaran 60X, which is Amaran's kind of like Aputure's lower quality, but still really high quality light output lights. Now, the Amaran 60X is probably the same output as the Aputure 60X. However, it's just probably in a plastic body and a little cheaper when it comes to its actual build quality. I am pre-ordered for the Aputure 60X because I can see myself wanting to add more of these lights and just use my 60X and the Aputure 60X together. But if you want to save a little bit of money, then you can get the Aputure version, and it's gonna be a really good light as well. Now that's all I have to say about the Aputure 60X. I think every photographer or videographer should at least have one of these lights. They're just so fun to use, and I think they could really help you on your productions. If you have any questions about photography or videography, hit me up in the comments below, and I will see you next time. See you later.